Hello everybody, Belinda here, and welcome back. Now the previous pour that I did, I figured out when I had finished it that it was a 14 by 14 inch and not a 12 by 12 inch canvas. Therefore I did need more paint, and that's why it was quite a big stretch and I didn't get my dark paint in for around the edges. So we have a 12 by 16 inch here. So pretty much I would need about the same amount of paint, which is probably about 210 mils, and I'll see if I can get close enough. So I'm going in first with the dark blue. And a bit of magenta. And again, I don't want to be too heavy-handed on the magenta. Some Prussian blue. And white. So with the lighter colors, I want to go a little less with the lighter. So we've got white and the gold, which I'm using again, my 24 karat gold. And then a little bit more white and some light blue. A little bit of white, and some turquoise. This is more like a, it's not really a turquoise, it's actually more fado green. So my light blue, all my blues I've actually made up myself with you know, black for the darker and white to make up the lighter blue. I'll get all that in there. Top that up with a bit of white. And a little bit of magenta. More white. And the gold. So I'm on nearly 200 mils. And then I'm going in with the blue, Prussian blue. teeny bit of magenta. A little bit more magenta in. Dark blue. A little bit of turquoise. Okay, so that's a bit too much paint already, and we'll finish that off with blue. Okay. Yeah, so this time I've got far too much paint. Maybe if I've got far too much I might not have to put a base down. Okay. Let's go and see what magic we get. Oops. Cup kind of got out of control there a little. Okay, before I lose what I have off the edge, just going to stop that there. Just a torch. There's a lot of cells in this cup, which is a good sign. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and cover the edges, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, let's see. I've finished off the edges. So I'm just taking the paint to the corners. I'm trying not to get that center all wonky. Really need to get that center pushed up a bit. And coming back. And going off this corner here. And bringing it back. Go off that corner there. Sorry guys, I know you're off the screen. Trying to keep you on as best as I can. I'll just turn it around for now. Wow. This was not the outcome I expected, but I think it's actually better than what I expected, to tell you the truth. Okay, I'll touch up the sides just now. I just want to try and maneuver this a little differently. Okay guys, I'm going to give it another torch and I'll touch it up a bit. I don't want to overstretch what I have already, because this is something else. I honestly did not expect this. But now that I have it, I absolutely love it. Okay. This has been sitting for a little while, probably about 5 minutes. I absolutely love this. I'm not sure really what that is there. It kind of looks like maybe a spaceship. I'm not sure. This was totally unexpected, I must say. I was after the dark with the light, and it's what I got, but this is unbelievable. It's blowing my mind. It's just so beautiful, and I'm just like in awe. I'm dumbstruck. Look at those cells over there, the cells within cells within cells. If I look at it from this angle here, maybe you can probably see what I mean. Hopefully it's coming up on the camera. This is unreal. All these different colored cells, and this is definitely deep space. I'm dumbfounded, honestly I am. Look at that. Honestly, it looks like space. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm going to try it again and see if I can get what I can get from the other one that I was trying to recreate. But yeah, it's gorgeous. Comment below, what do you think that this actually looks like? Well guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.